Remember back in the day when we were like, oh, I don't want to blind you? Why did that just come to mind? That's how old I am. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today we're getting into a SHEIN home video. I'm about to move. If you guys are seeing this, it's my official moving week. So I had a good time going on the SHEIN website and browsing through all of their home items. So big thank you to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video because I'm going to show you guys some really cool finds. A lot of this stuff actually is under $7. So let's get into the haul. As always, I will link everything that I mention in the description box so you guys can check them out as well. I think I'm the most excited for this set, you guys. It was very freaking affordable, and it definitely gives your bathroom, specifically like your shower space, that hotel feel. Whenever I go to like the Conrad, or I used to go to Vegas all the time, guys, they had these little dispensers for your shampoo, your body wash, and your conditioner, and it just looks so aesthetic. And I definitely wanted to bring a little bit of aesthetics, like hotel feel, to my bedroom and bathroom space, so I thought these would be perfect. They already come with the labels on them. So this one says body wash, and then it has 500 milliliters home collection, and this is what the labeling looks like in this ambery bottle. So you can fill this up with your favorite body wash, and it looks so much cuter than the standard body wash containers in my personal opinion, especially if you are a simple girl and you don't have a ton of products and you just stick to the same thing like me. This will be perfect. I will say I'm not crazy about the fact that it says enjoy your life at the top, because what does that have to do with my body wash? I do have the matching conditioner bottle here, and I use, again, the same shampoo and conditioner, so for me this will be easy for me just to refill because I'm not out here testing a bunch of products. And the matching shampoo bottle. So this is probably one of my favorite finds from this entire video. I think it's going to be a great way to kind of elevate my bathroom space, and also if you have a guest bathroom, I think these would look really cute too. The next thing that I had, I've seen something very similar to it on Pinterest, and I believe theirs was maybe made out of metal or something like that, but this one is a similar silhouette. It's actually made out of plastic, and it is a tissue box cover, so I think this will be really cute on my bedside table. You could also utilize this on an entryway table or on your bathroom vanity to kind of elevate the fact that the tissue boxes aren't very cute. It's definitely more aesthetic, and I love the bubbling detailing that it has here. And again, it was very freaking affordable. So the bottom does come off where you can put your tissues in. You refill them and then you pop this back on, and that's how it kind of stays in place. It is plastic, so just keep that in mind when shopping. If you're just looking for something cute to kind of revamp your bedside table, I think this will be one of those items that you will get a lot of use out of. And I love the cream color. My apartment is going to be very neutral with maybe a pop of like earthy shades, so I feel like this is going to look super cute on the nightstand that I have. So definitely stay tuned to my vlog channel if you guys want to see more of my moving process. I'm going to be posting those videos this week, so go subscribe. I'll link my channel down below. And then I had to get this mirror, you guys. This is also giving aesthetic. It's giving that girl, and I love like odd shaped things, so when I saw this I had to add it to the cart. And this one is like an irregular aesthetic tabletop makeup mirror. I don't have a vanity just yet, but I thought this could also look cute, maybe propped up on an entryway table on top of like some books, or I could put it on the bathroom vanity. I could put it on my nightstand, I don't know, a dresser maybe. I will have a closet room, so once that gets put together, I think this would look really cute on a shelf. But it is so freaking cute, you guys, with this shape. It's also in a cream color, so I feel like this will go with so many different home decor styles. The back of it looks like a picture frame stand, so you can literally put this on any tabletop. There's also a little hook here where you can opt to hang this up on the wall if you want to do that too, maybe in a hallway. Or if you do like a gallery wall, I think this could be really fun for that too. Remember back in the day when we were like, oh, I don't want to blind you? Why did that just come to mind? That's how old I am. For my couch area and just any of my laundry linen needs, I thought this would come in handy. This is a fabric like shaver. My mom has one of these and she uses it on the couch all the time because our dogs are always on the couch. And I want to see how much this one was as well. But I thought this would be great for my laundry room. And I want to try it out. I've never really used these on my clothes. But if you have clothing that tends to pill, I'm sorry. If you have clothing items that maybe you've had for a while and they tend to pill up, especially like sweats in the crotch, y'all know what I'm talking about? You can use a fabric shaver on that area to remove all of those like little balls that kind of get built up to restore those items. Similarly to your sofa or sweaters, it does come with a USB and this type of brush, I'm assuming to clean. And mine is in this beautiful green color, super cute, and it just seems to have, ooh, why did that just jump scare me? Girl, be so for real. What the heck? I was not expecting that. How much is this? This is $7.20. It also comes in other colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other colors. Girl, that really scared me. Let me try it out on my bedding. This is linen and it does tend to ball up. Granted, I've washed it so much. At least it comes charged. I can't tell if it's working. Okay. Does it look better? I mean, it wasn't the worst, but I could definitely see how handy this will come in. Clutch. I wonder, does it get emptied out? Oh. Oh my god. Wait a minute. It actually did something. It works. So yeah, that brush comes in handy to kind of clean out the device. I think that's cool. I definitely am going to utilize this for sure. And it's one of those like essentials that I didn't think I needed until I saw it on SHEIN. Let's see, how do we put this back? Love this for me. I'm going to put it back in the box because I'm definitely packing this with my cleaning products. Next, I have some candles. These ones, I'm a little bit disappointed in the quality. I'm not sure if these are actually supposed to be the way that I got sent them, but I thought the idea and the aesthetic of them was super freaking cute. And they do smell really good. This one kind of smells like vanilla, but isn't this adorable? It's one of those pillar candles that's like ribbed. And I didn't want to light these. I wanted them as tabletop, like a coffee table decor, maybe on a tray or something on top of like a stack of books. But this came cracked, or maybe it's supposed to be like that when it was being made. I'm not sure, but maybe I could get in there with a lighter to melt the wax down to stick it together again like glue. But for now, it's kind of giving bobblehead and I'm not into that, but I love this nude color. This came in so many different colorways from what I can remember. I'm trying to look, and they're scented. It says like long-lasting fragrance, and you could get different sizes. So I thought this would be really cute. I believe this is the brown sandalwood colorway, and I got a miniature version to kind of stagger. And guess what? It came broken too. So that kind of sucks for me. So that's why I was like, are they supposed to be like that? But I don't think so, because they don't look like that on the SHEIN page. But this one is like a smaller beige version, and it also has a nice warm inviting scent and is kind of like dented a little bit. But again, these were $3.42, so what do I expect? It is what it is. I'm going to try to melt it down, but how cute would these be? Even on like a TV console table, I just feel like they would give, but it's giving bobblehead, okay? So let me know if you guys have any tips on how I could kind of restore them. If I melted the wax around, I think it would kind of mess up the ribbing and the effect of it. That's everything that I picked up from Shein's home section. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. For somebody that's balling on a budget, I really wanted to find some really cute aesthetic pieces that I can kind of welcome into my space. So let me know in the comment section below which item from this video was your favorite. Also too, if you guys want to find more home items on a budget, definitely go to Shein and in the search bar type in YZ266. And girl, you're gonna enter a magical page filled with a ton of stuff for $1. $1. So if you want to see more of Shein's latest home items, definitely follow Shein Home, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!